And you didn't want to replace the car, but the new one was so much quieter.
Yeah, I could finally hear myself think.
And you wanted to keep dial-up internet. We replaced that.
Got 2 hours of my day back.
Well, we need to replace the heating and cooling system. The new ones are far quieter and more efficient.
Okay, but just promise you'll never replace me with a quieter, more efficient husband.
Deal. Now call Weathermaster.
Call Weathermaster today for your $59 AC or heating system tune-up and safety inspection. That's right, only $59.
Yeah, I love those guys.